If your simple mobile phone is lost or stolen, immediate action is crucial. First, log into your Simple Mobile account through their website or app. Alternatively, call 1-877-878-7904. Report the phone as lost or stolen and request a suspension of service. Provide your account details and the phone's IMEI number, a unique 15-digit code that identifies your device. This suspension immediately prevents unauthorized calls, texts, and data usage. Simple Mobile's online portal now offers real-time account management for instant suspensions. Since Simple Mobile operates on T-Mobile's network, consider leveraging T-Mobile's device protection features via the T-Mobile app for remote lock and wipe capabilities. Note that deactivation permanently ends your service and cancels your account. Suspension is the appropriate action for a lost or stolen device that you may recover. Ensure you have proof of ownership, like the last 4 digits of your SSN or payment method, ready for verification. Reactivating your Simple Mobile phone after suspension requires obtaining a new SIM card, which costs around $10. You can get this new SIM card either by visiting a store in person or by ordering it online through Simple Mobile's website. Once you have the new SIM card, reactivate your service either through the Simple Mobile website or by calling their customer support team. Reactivation is generally possible within 90 days of suspension. Beyond that time period, you may need to set up a completely new account. Remember that suspension preserves your account for up to 6 months. Simple Mobile has introduced enhanced security measures, including mandatory 2-factor authentication for account changes to prevent unauthorized access during reactivation. Always back up your data before suspending or reactivating your phone to prevent any potential data loss. After reactivation, ensure you update your security settings, including PINs and biometric locks, to safeguard against future incidents.